In this video, I'm going to show you how to pay back your Cash App loan. If you want to learn fully how to use Cash App loans, just check out the other tutorial video on my channel. Note that I have $65 in my Cash App balance. This is the money that I'll use to pay back my loan. So I've currently borrowed $20. I have $25 max that I could have borrowed. So if I wanted to borrow $5 more, I could do that. But to repay this and see the details, we want to tap on the borrow section where it says $5 available. That's going to take us to this screen. We can also scroll down, tap show 3 more, and that's going to show us our payback details. So we've borrowed $20 and we have to pay back $21. It will automatically prompt you to pay these on the specific dates, but if you just want to pay it back or pay it back early, you can just tap the repay early button. It'll give you this menu here. You can select to pay your next payment, your remaining balance, or an other amount. For this example, I'm just going to do remaining balance. So confirm to pay your remaining payment, confirm. You're going to put in your PIN, and then it's going to say you made a payment of $21, you repaid your loan, and you're good to go. You can then start to borrow again or start a new loan if you wish to do that. This should also help increase your limits when you pay back your loan. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.